Ready. Settle down. Actors, prepare. Ready.
Ready?
Roll camera.
Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Action. Go.
We're done with the CT scan. May lesions sa left temporal lobe ng pasyente.
Start. Track 1.
There could be some damage.
Two.
Patient amnesia.
Okay,
It could be either retrograde amnesia or anterograde amnesia or worse, traumatic amnesia. Dok, pwede ba kayo ulit? By the way, lumiluwad lang sa pasyente ang mga damit niya, wala kami nakita ng wallet or cellphone. Was he a biggie? A biggie? Ay!